Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for April, and I must say I am loving the bag this month. I think it's very pretty. All sorts of different butterflies, and it's this light purple color on the back. Very cute. So let's see what's inside. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's only $10 a month. The theme is Social Butterfly for April. Ooh, okay, cool. Slanted tweezers. It's kind of funny because I actually don't use tweezers because I have very thin eyebrows. I don't really have a need for tweezers, but I use these on my ring reveal videos to get the rings out of the candles. And the pair I use now is like a pink pair, so you might be seeing these in some of my ring reveal videos. That's funny. But I will definitely use them even if they're not for my eyebrows. And the next product we have is finishing cream for your hair. Next up is a cream metallic foil eyeshadow. It says with jojoba oil. A little bit on the outside of the package. It's very pretty. Nice and pigmented. I was kind of confused by the name of it being a foil eyeshadow. Very pretty though. It's kind of interesting. So we have that. And there's a couple more things in the bag. From NYX, a soft matte lip cream. That's actually a shade I will wear. I don't do like pinks or reds, but nude shades look pretty decent with my skin tone. And the last item is pretty big size here. This is Delectable. It says it's hand cream, ultra nourishing hand cream. Sweet mint and cream scent. Yeah, that smells really good. And you can never have enough hand cream, or at least I can't, because my hands get terribly dry. So that is what I got this month. If you would like to subscribe to Ipsy, I will put a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.